one spirit, brother, one spirit.
The only one. Daily life, of course, it's a financial issue. So at this particular moment, ERICO meter, you all know, way back in the days, from renovating, fabricating, and so on and so forth. But this is our creation. Finally, we have made our own. I have created it, and a lot of people are interested in buying, of course, in needing, of course, but of course I need the support from the government. I know I have good friends. You go to my social media, you see about 5,000 friends. Out of this, inside these 5,000 people, there are many who want to partnership, and those are open. Those who want to support, and those are open. You can do it. So, as of this moment on, my plea and my wish is that now that I'm in a big city dweller, we need a workshop, materials, and we are good to go. We can make a bunch of them. I can create 3 of these bikes in 30 days. You'll be asking that, but this one took you 3 years. No, it never took me 3 years. I actually fabricated this bike in 2016. And those of you who are my friends know what happened. I was behind the scene for a long period of time, so now we have come to the completion of it. So as of this moment now, all I need is finance. All I need is finance. Open a shop and manufacturing more. So with all that being said, having my good friends around me, who have been there supporting from day one, those home and those abroad, I want you all to know that so far we have come with this, and we cannot do it on our own. You all saw the journey of this bike from day one, from scrap, when I started from scrap, and you know, a one-man show, this lifestyle of living from hand to mouth, you know, you have to put the one you have when you have. So, but had it been I have materials lying down or money that I can just go and buy them, order my engines from China or America or wherever, whatever they command. So, luckily for me, I have my brothers here showing me love all this while and supporting and seeing to it that this company grew. So, as you can see at earlier point, the logo. You saw the KE30 are converted to a Mustang. You have to say that the Mustang in Africa, of course, we have one, and you saw it. So, this is a company logo. That is the EMF stand for ERICO Metal Fabrication. With all that being said, I know sooner or later we have to go online to post this for everybody to see. So the only way I plead for you to show me some love is share this video, post it. There are pictures I'm snapping along the line. You can post a picture. You can support this company financially, show love. You can even post in a picture, a profile picture, maybe a week, for 1 week, for 1 day, for 1 month. Like you are proud that your brother has been able to create this. Honestly, I feel the love because when I'm riding on the street, lots of bike riders are running behind me, snapping. Bunch of people, thousands of people are running behind me, snapping. They want to snap. They want to enjoy our creation. So, not forgetting to credit Cameroon. That is Cameroon made. ERICO Metal is a long journey that I've been so far. So as you can see, it has been a step-by-step process. I've been working now. When you have some free cash, you put in it. When you have some free cash, you put in it. But at the end of the day, we have created our own luxury bike. This is for comfort. As well as I can make commercial bikes. So but this is just for private use, luxury use, man. You can use it for movie industry, music industry, private use. Go take maybe you and your girlfriend or you and your wife for a good ride, freedom ride. So just enjoy your life, man. That being said, I can't possibly say all today, but you know me, you follow my pages, you go to YouTube, you see ERICO Metal Welding, you follow all my videos in YouTube. You can follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, having my wedding pages, ERICO Metal Fabrication. You see, you know a bunch of them. So I just want you to show me some love, my dear friends. Post the video. Let us share the videos in every media that we can. So far, we obviously sooner or later will appear in the TV channels because we'll be having some connections. Maybe Equinox, Canada, TV. You can name the rest. So we just want to show some love. We just want you to show us some love and spread the news. To get into the ears of the president, whoever that can support, whoever that is proud that Cameroon is able to come up with this. And it doesn't end there. You all know I can make any car and I can make any bike. So, but the problem is, man, I'm just a poor boy being a broke. And we need finance, need money. If not money, we need a workshop, materials, tools. And going back to what I've been doing all these years, offering free training. You all who have been following me for the past 20 years, you know the talent God have blessed me with, you know the things I create, and you know all this while I've been doing free training, so it still stands. My doors are still open. If I could have a company to work in, I'd train a lot of kids to be able to do this tomorrow, because with all this knowledge in my head, with all these blessings in me, if I die today without spreading it, of course it's of no use. So you have a brother, you have a friend, you have a sister, you have a son, somebody that envision to be like me. Like for instance, I have people who motivated me. W.E.J from America, man. The guy made me to understand that as an engineer, as an entrepreneur, as a welder fabricator, there is no limitations. You can make anything. So, and I believe him, I follow his lead, and here we are. If I tell you today that I can make any car, you'll be like surprised. But believe me, I pray to God that He extend my days. You're going to see it in the nearest future. So, like I said, anybody that is ready to finance or partnership, join me in a business. We can take this to the next level. Support in any way you can. That's all we need. So I believe we have come to the end of this short video that we wanted to share. So wanted you to see it live for yourself. It has been running on the street, and very soon it will appear on TV. So I think we have said enough. So
The project has come to realization, man.
that is it. And with all the love from One Love, man, bro, you've taken me from a long way, man. You pulled me through times that I've been lying down, man. You pull me up, man. God bless you, man.
Man must be there for man, man.
Man, God bless you. It's going to be down on history, man. It will be down on history. Now, if you love this creation, and if you wish to ride it, you be my friend, you are in Douala, you are free, man. The keys are with me anytime. You want to come and test it, test. You want to buy, I'm ready to sell, I'm ready to make a bunch of them. So, we have the talent, we have the knowledge, but we can't do it on our own. We need the support from those our friends who are making big, from the government officials, from whoever, from the staff, whoever. You just need that support to take this to the next level. So, I believe we'll be seeing more of this. Time goes by, and we pray for long life. After all, we cannot do without God. All these blessings are just from the sky. So, with all that being said, man, come close. With all that being said, end it here for today. I believe uploading a series of them. Will show me some love. Post the picture, post the video, share in every group. I would like to see the miracle of how I can have over 5,000 followers, 5,000 friends on Facebook, which of course is the most popular social media worldwide. So you all be following me, and so far come to me. So thank you, brother, man.
Wow.
It's only one in the continent, one in Africa, one in Cameroon, and of course me by your brother.
Okay.